Oh my god. Hey Tigers, welcome to this week's episode of KTIG9 News. I'm Jaden.
And I'm Jaylee. Let's begin our show with some school announcements.
Next weekend will be a 4-day weekend. We do not have school Friday, February 13th or Monday, February 16th. Take the extra time to spoil the ones you love on Valentine's Day.
This week we celebrate National School Counselors Week. Shout out to all the lovely Conroe High School counselors on both campuses. Thank you all for hard work and dedication.
Conroe High School cheerleaders will be hosting a line dancing night on February 12th at the CHS main cafeteria starting at 6:30 p.m.
Wear your boots and your favorite dancing shoes. Come learn how to do the most popular line dances like boots on the ground, timber, and many more. Admission is just $10. See the flyers around the school for all the details.
The Conroe Golden Girls and Goldies are showcasing their contest show-offs this Friday at 6 p.m. Tickets are $5 for spectators, $2 for students with their ID at the door, and admission is free for all teachers and staff members to attend. Check out the flyers or go by room 1605 in the main gym building for more information.
KTIG is bringing back its escape room competition show. Mindscapers for the second season. You would wish to compete the show, you must gather a team of 4 players and apply now at the KTIGnews.com. Both students and teachers can compete, so sign up now before your time runs out.
Moving on to sports, the boys and girls basketball team will be playing tomorrow against Willis High School. The boys are playing against at home, while the girls are playing at Willis High School.
The boys and girls soccer team are playing tonight against the Woodlands. The boys team is playing at the Woodlands High School, while the girls team is playing at home.
Baseball has their next scrimmage game tonight against Katie Tompkins at home, while softball players play their next scrimmage game tonight against Kingwood Park. Let's go, Tigers! Up next, we learn how to make Valentine's chocolate dip pretzel sticks in a new freshman flavors.
And then we celebrate the day, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Intro to Culinary's cooking segment. Freshman flavors.
Valentine's Day is a perfect occasion to create a sweet treat for your family and friends.
Today we'll be showing you how to make chocolate-covered pretzel rods. They're the perfect flavor combination of salty and sweet. They can easily be customized for all sorts of occasions.
To start, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 bag of pretzels, 2 12-ounce bags of chocolate, milk dark or white, decorative toppings like sprinkles, crushed nuts, or drizzled chocolate. Since this treat is for Valentine's Day, we have red, pink, and white sugar sprinkles and hearts. Microwave safe glass, spoon for stirring, baking sheet, wax paper or parchment paper, paper towels.
Once you have everything together, you're ready to start. First, pour chocolate chips into a microwave-safe glass. Microwave chocolate in 30-second increments, stirring between each interval. Stirring between each interval until completely melted and smooth. Once chocolate is all melted, dip each pretzel rod into melted chocolate. Hold pretzel rod at one end, dip and twist in chocolate covering about 2/3 of the rod. Gently tap to remove excess chocolate.
I know.
This is an art.
Shut up.
Art of cooking.
No, laugh. Place dipped pretzels on wax paper and immediately add sprinkles before chocolate sets. Let pretzels set completely for 1 hour at room temperature, 30 minutes in refrigerator, 10 minutes in freezer. Now they are ready to package and give as a sweet treat.
It's time to celebrate the day. Today is the start of the 2026 Winter Olympics. Today marks the start of a worldwide competition for snow and ice sports such as ice skating, snowboarding, skiing, and ice hockey.
Fun fact, the first modern Olympics started at Athens, Greece in 1896. Moving forward, 130 years ago, the Olympics are now a huge global event watched by millions all over the world. It's a great day to start watching the Olympics from your comfort of your home.
Now it's time to honor our faculty feature, where we celebrate an amazing member here at CHS9. This week's faculty feature is Miss Black. She was nominated because, quote, she always makes everyone feel special. Thanks for being awesome, Miss Black.
Here's our current weather forecast for the next 7 days. Today, expect sunny skies with a high of 78 and a low of 45. This weekend, expect sun and clouds with highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s. Next week should be cloudy and rainy as we get ready for the 4-day weekend.
That's it for this episode of KTIG9 News. Thanks for watching. I'm Jaden.
And I'm Jaylee.
Happy Valentine's Day, Tigers. What?